I'm Dr. Richard Kearns. My specialty is hip and knee replacement, and I work with Fine Orthopedic Group and have been here since 1984. I got married late in life. I was too busy practicing orthopedics, and then I realized I was missing something, and that was a wife and a son. When I'm not at work, I play golf. Not bad at golf, much better at replacing hips and knees. I also ski, I like to read, and I work out regularly to stay in shape. I went to Georgetown to medical school and did my orthopedic training in Manhattan at a place called Hospital for Special Surgery. After that, I did a year of fellowship in specialized joint replacement, which was at the place called Memorial Sloan Kettering Hospital, which is the New York equivalent of MD Anderson Hospital here in Houston. So what I do is replace hips and knees for people with arthritis and other conditions. I want them to know that I'm an honest doctor, that I like taking care of patients and giving them the correct diagnosis and the correct treatment. And I want them to be comfortable asking questions about what they need and giving them information so when they get to the hospital, they know they're in good hands and we'll do a good job to take care of them. The best part about my job is that it's nice to know that what I've been doing for years and years and years has kept patients active for that period of time. And they're happy enough with what I've done for them, so they come back here to have the same doctor who took good care of them 20 years ago still take care of them. And that's very satisfying, both for them and for me.